Good evening. My name is Adewole OluwaseunPH, batch 91 student of Guidance Group. Today we'll be taking you on how to successfully register your account, how to provide help, and how to get help. As you can see, I'm on my Chrome page. Chrome is an advisable browser to use when opening your site. Then I'm going to type the site, which is Nigeria hyphen mmm.net. So you just tap your enter. So it's going to take me to the official site. And please make sure you type the site Nigeria-mmm.net because there are a lot of hackers outside. So now you can see the icon registration. You click on it, registration. So this is the registration page. It is very simple and straightforward. Your name. Let's say I'll be registering for Yinka Aminu. Request Yinka Aminu. And Yinka's Gmail is Yinka Aminu at gmail.com. And Yinka's phone number is 09087654323. You can see what is brought out. That's a consultant there waiting for you if you have any problem. If I don't have a problem, so I'll cancel that. Then password. I would advise you use a password you can remember because you will need your Gmail and your password to log into the system. So I'll be using my first name, Yinka, as my password. Then to confirm my password, I'll type it again, Yinka. See what it goes there. Password match. So I'll continue. The invite means the person that introduced you to MMM. The person that introduced Yinka to MMM, let's say is Dayo at gmail.com. And see, that's very simple. Your guidance mail. Our guidance mail is Christlove 1000 at gmail.com. Your guidance phone number, let's say 09076543548. And see, you have successfully filled the registration form. There is always a captcha written down below, so make sure you fill in the correct captcha into the empty space. You can see it's in capital letter, so you press your cap lock MYSO, and that is the end. So after that, you are going to click on I have fully read all this and I'm aware of the risks, because if you don't click on it, you cannot register. After you have done that, you can now go to register MMM. So you see, when I click register, it goes you have not read the warning page. That was why I said you should click on it. I just used that to show you. So that is how you successfully register into MMM. I'll be taking you next on how to provide help and get help. To provide help and get help, you see an icon here, log into system. So you click on it, log into system. As you can see, it is loading. Yes, you see it is establishing secure connection. This is just to ensure a tight security on the site. So don't be scared. You can see that the site is a very secure site and your money is safe. So you can see it is loading. It is loading. And you can see it. Then we have to type a number. All this is just to ensure security of the site for me and your group. 1047. It is always a 7-digit number. 831. So you click on login. See, it is loading login. So remember I told you have to use email and password. Your email you use to register and the password. That is why it's important you don't forget. So I'll be logging into an account now, which is Princess @gmail.com. Please make sure you are very sure of what you are writing. Make sure you check it again. Then the password is, that will be my heart. You don't expect me to say it. My brother, na Nigeria we do. So I'm going to log in. As it is loading. It is loading to the system. So as you can see, registration, after registration, providing help, it's loading to the system. You can see what is brought out. Badge guidance school. You don't need that for now. You just close that page. But it is advisable you read through all these news that is here. Community Development Tax and lot of news. It is very advisable you do that to spread the gospel of MMM. So on this, you can see the dashboard, participants, my page, Marvel account. I will tell you what all this means. But for now, you go to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard. You can see on the dashboard, provide help and get help. So to provide help, you click on provide help icon. Right, you see they said, have you read the warning? You click on it, you next it. After that, you can see what it brought out. Make sure you click on other bank, and you next it again. As it is loading. Now, how much do you want to provide help of? Remember, one of the basic rules in MMM is you use your spare money. Now, this person can only afford to produce help or provide help of 20,000 naira, because that is a spare money. You click on select, see button leftover distribution. You have to click on 20,000 again on that other column, 20,000, and you click on next. See, it gave me a code to fill, which is small letter. So you just write your YISIVI. So you next it again. The request has been processed. Press OK. It's going to give me a green icon at the right hand corner. Show you what I'm talking about. So you have successfully provided an help of 20,000. Wait for a participant to be matched with. If you are being matched with a participant, you are going to see it at the left corner here. You can see it is very easy. I told you I'll be explaining some of these icons for you on the website. This is the dashboard where you get your provide help, get help. They call this personal office. So this is your participants, trustees and referrals, those who are referred. My page, letter of happiness. When you have gotten your help, you are going to write a letter of happiness to tell them that you have gotten help. Let me open one letter of happiness for you to see. Okay. So this is how the page looks. I just wanted to see how it looks like. So you see, this person has not written a letter of happiness. You just close it. Marvel simply means is the currency we use in MMM. That's the currency we use in MMM. So as you can see, I clicked on it. It's brought out what? 22.605. That's my money has gone to 22,000. You can see it is red. That's because I've not been matched. When you go down, you are going to see it here. Green means available for withdrawal. Blue means frozen. Red means not confirmed. Immediately I pay and it's over 15 days, I'll be able to collect my money. Now your account. Let me show you how to add your account details. If you are just registering for the first time, account will be the first thing you are going to go to. So under accounts, you will go to add. You go to add account details. As you can see, the name, your account name, you make sure you write it there. Your bank name, you are going to leave this space empty, that Bitcoin, because you are not using Bitcoin. You are going to write your bank name. Beneficiary name, the same thing as your account name. and account number. Make sure it is very correct. After that, you can see branch name is optional, source code is optional, so you are going to go to next, save. So that is all. And if there is a mistake, you can always go to edit account details. So you can see this is very easy. Now let me show you how to get help before we enter the class. To get help, we are just going to press on the icon get help. So get help, you can only get help after you have been successfully merged. After you have been successfully merged, you can only get help until your marble has turned green. So you just follow the same procedure. You click on get help. If I click on get help now, it's not going to get help because I don't have any green marble. Click on get help and follow all the procedures. So I hope with this little information you have been able to learn how to successfully register an account, how to provide help and get help. My name remains Adewole Oluwaseun, 91st Batch Guidance School of MMM.